In this unduckingly believable episode, we uncover
the secret sauce that gives this chili oil its flapping, fantastic sauce flavor,
how duck fat adds an extra sizzle to your dishes,
and a taste test to see if holy duck truly flies above the rest.
Now let's waddle our way into the kitchen.
Today, we're taste testing the much talked about holy duck chili oil. And first, we want to thank TD and YY for commenting on our last video requesting this one, so we wouldn't have heard about it without you guys, so thank you.
We would like to thank the team at Holy Duck Chili Oil for sending us these 3 flavors of their chili oil. It's not sponsored, but they were kind enough to send us this so then we could try it out.
Also within the package, we got a handwritten note from the owners, Chris and Louise, and they also mentioned that these are made with 100% Canadian all-natural ingredients without the use of preservatives and additives. They also said they are the babies of ours, our passion project to pay tribute to our Hong Kong roots and a little collective of our Asian travels. That's a really nice, thoughtful card, so thank you once again.
And it's handcrafted. Artisanal chili oil is here in our hands. So some of the ingredients that they use in Holy Duck chili oil is natural umami flavorings like mushroom, and they use different types of chili like Sichuan peppercorns and chili peppers.
There's also nice crunchy bits in there like crispy garlic and shallots. So we're excited to try this out.
This is our first time trying a chili oil made with duck fat. I think there's no chili oil with duck fat in America. So they sent us 3 flavors, the OG, which is a mild spicy, a lava, which is the medium spicy, and also a vegan, which contains no ducks. First of all, their packaging is quite comical. Look at this duck with this chili. Because they use no additives, no preservatives in their chili oil, they ask that you keep their chili oil away from the sun and in a cool, dry place. And if you open it and you put it in the fridge, make sure you stir it really well before eating it because duck fat actually solidifies and becomes like a butter. Open it.
Oh, it smells really good. You can smell like the umami in it. It's like lasting with it.
Smells like chili oil.
Yeah, they also once again recommend that you stir from the bottom.
I see lots of bits of chili. Half of the container contains all the little bits and then half of it is chili oil and the sauce. So you know, we like to try it out first. Straight up, chili oil taste test.
I'm not sure what I was expecting, but wow, it like really packs a punch. So first warning, it is on the more umami, savory side, salty side. So I think that's one big warning. I can already tell a little bit will go a long way.
Whoa. Wait.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. It's spicy. A really interesting flavor. I think it's from the fried shallots.
Yes.
This is gonna be dangerous because it's gonna be really addicting. Oh my gosh. First taste, I'm a fan already. Dude, I'm telling you, it's amazing! What?
Yes.
Okay, this is gonna be my go-to.
If you look on here, it says the flavor profile for this one, the OG, that it's savory, aromatic, welcoming heat, sweetness, tanginess, subtle smokiness, slight numbing. That is a perfect description.
Slight numbing is for reals. It numbs your tongue like real quick and then it goes away. And then the other flavors come in, like the shallots. And then the umami-ness of the mushroom powder. Oh my gosh. It's literally, it makes you go through like 10 different spices and tastes within like half a second that you eat it. Seriously magical.
Yeah, this is a totally different experience than any other chili oils that we've tried. Like, I don't know, I'm almost speechless. This was really good. And I could just imagine trying this on all this other food because we have all these different ways to try this out. But just by itself, man.
I'm just gonna eat it by itself.
We could just finish this whole thing off, man.
Wow. We're only on the first bottle.
Yeah. And we haven't even tried it with the food yet.
Let's do lava.
Okay.
This one is really funny too. Look at the packaging on this one. It's crying. It's a crying duck.
Okay.
So this is the more spicy one.
Yeah, I was thinking the other one wasn't like super spicy. This one has salt, sweet, savoriness, custardy. Custardy, that sounds different. Wild amounts of umami. Rich and punchy, slight graininess, like crystals, and a really good cheese.
Oh, it's thick.
Yeah, it's much more like pasty.
Chili to oil ratio is a lot higher. There's a lot more bits. Ooh, it is velvety. Yeah.
It's very velvety. Wow.
There's duck yolk in here.
Salted egg yolk. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh my god.
Totally.
Okay, this is another first. We've never had salted duck egg yolk in chili oil. This also takes it to a whole nother level. If you ever had like salted duck egg on chips or salted duck egg on chili crab, it's like super soft, smooshy, but also velvety, and it has a really, really distinct duck egg flavor. This is it in a chili oil form.
This one says it's like medium spice, and that's like a perfect description.
It's medium.
It's very medium spice, and it's slightly more numbing, it's slightly more spicy than the original batch, but it gives you such a different flavor profile. It's like very complex and extremely delicious.
And I would say it's a true medium. Like some places they say, oh, this is a medium spicy, but then it ends up being like a medium high spicy. This is a true medium spicy.
Yes.
That's so innovative. Duck egg in chili oil?
Third one.
Vegan.
Vegan. It's like a hippie duck.
That's so cute.
So if you imagine if a duck was vegan.
Ducks are not vegan because they eat worms. I'm thinking that this vegan will be just as delicious. It smells like chili oil still. Flavor profile: savory, aromatic, welcoming heat, sweetness, tanginess, smokiness, and slight numbing. It looks very similar to the first OG one. It's not as velvety as the duck egg one, but it looks close to what the OG one is. This one's a lot smokier than the OG.
That's exactly it. The smokiness comes out the most in this one. This one would be good on pretty much anything. And it's not that much of a step down without the duck fat in it, surprisingly.
Like some things that like are vegan, you might think, oh, it's not that good. Vegan chili oil is still good. All three has a really distinct flavor. If you like really, really smokiness from your chili oil, get the vegan one. If you like all kinds of flavors all at once, get the OG. And if you like salted duck egg, definitely go for lava.
And now let's dive in and try it with all these different foods. So we made a bunch of different stops here because we felt like there's a lot of different options to use this with. For example, they say that you should use it on marinating, noodles, toast, pasta, congee, stuff like that. So we did a mix between, you know, veggies, we'll try with the vegan one, pizza, hot dog, fries, because we were thinking duck fat fries. And also duck.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, pair the oil with the duck.
Reunite the duck with the duck. Imagine it was on the same duck.
Duck
There's the duck
juices.
fat with this duck somehow from Canada.
So we figured vegan chili oil might pair well with tofu. So we have fresh silken tofu, and we're gonna add the vegan chili oil to it. Can you see it? It's really white.
I could just have this as a meal.
Different textures all together and flavors. And you don't even have to cook it. It's great on its own.
Another vegan friendly one was just broccoli. This one. It's like this does the job of like 10 different ingredients all in one. And it's so simple.
And we also have fried rice.
Alright, lava and the fried rice.
Duck egg with chicken egg. They're becoming friends. This is so good! This is addicting.
Oh man, this does the trick without making it overly salty and a little bit of spice.
It makes it feel like I'm eating at a fine dining restaurant
Yes.
with this chili oil.
Yeah, it also gave us a reason to support our local cafe down the street,
Yep.
U2 Cafe in Alhambra.
Yep. Let's try it with French fries. We have McDonald's fries. Who needs ketchup when you have chili oil?
Yeah.
Oh, it seriously makes you feel like you're at a fine dining restaurant.
This is so dangerous.
I'm gonna start shaking chili oil into everything. We have chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Nice healthy scoop.
Perfect. Sweet and sour who?
Yep, a little bit of spice. Lots of crunchiness. I think it just needs more of it.
Just drench it.
That's how good it is.
We went to Costco. We got a hot dog. $1.50. Let's see if the chili oil can make this a gourmet hot dog.
Yes. This is the most gourmet hot dog I've ever had.
Oh my god.
And this is a hot dog without anything else on it.
Whoa. This chili oil literally goes well with everything.
Everything's a hit so far. Man, if I could, I would get one of those onion cranks and put this holy duck chili oil in it, just like crank it out.
We also have pizza. from Costco.
This one, it says to put the OG one on pizza. It's one of the
Okay.
recommended ones.
Okay.
So let's try it. There's no suspense. They're all good. It's all magical. There's nothing that this won't be good on. Like, obviously, I'm not gonna eat durian ever again, but maybe,
if it had the holy duck chili oil, maybe durian would taste good.
No. Save the best for last. We're gonna try this duck.
We got the roast duck.
We're gonna try it with the chili lava.
Wow.
Best one so far.
The juiciness of the duck with the velvety texture of the chili oil. I did not think that I would love this chili oil as much as I do now. I'm buying it for all my friends.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Holy Duck Chili Oil team, for sending this to us and just increasing the value of our lives because we've been introduced to this chili oil.
Alright, so let's talk about some of the objections. Obviously, this one, because it is from Canada, Vancouver specifically, that it might not be as readily available. So we typed it into the website and then we did our address. It says that shipping to the US would cost $24. And that's on top of the cost of the bottle, which is $20, or $28 for the chili lava salted egg one. So that is a substantial cost. So if you do have some reservations, I understand it because it is a little bit pricey. Also, if you end up spending $80, you can get free shipping. But that's a lot of chili oil. But from our perspective, it's worth it.
And if you have pantry space, stock up because you know you're gonna want it. Another concern that someone might have might be that it contains duck fat. Duck fat is not for everybody, but if you're Asian, you know duck fat is delicious.
Yeah, and then also they did mention to us that it does sort of solidify a little bit. So if you do put it in the fridge, make sure you put it out a little bit, otherwise it gets clumpy and all of that. So that's the one part about it. And also, if you're consuming it quickly, we're gonna finish this off so fast that we probably won't need to put it in the fridge. That's one warning if you are worried about, you know, the whole duck fat thing. Don't be. It's delicious. It's incredibly delicious.
Absolutely delicious. It's ducking delicious.
And lastly, if you have dietary restrictions, obviously we understand that part, you can get the vegan one because there is no duck fat in it and it's completely vegan. It goes well with all of these items that we tried. One thing about it is that every single bite just seems like it's perfect. Like there's not much variation to it. Even if we didn't stir it all the way, it still tasted amazing. It's just so consistent. I think that's one really beautiful thing about this.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did while tasting this for you guys. Please support Holy Duck Chili Oil if you can. You won't regret it.
And as always, you can check out chilioilgang.com and you can see all of these different reviews, and then also you can buy some merchandise and join the Chili Oil Gang.
It's a club. We'll see you next week on our next video. Bye bye!